Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check the graphics card on your HP 255. So of course we don't have a dedicated graphics card in this laptop, but if you want to know more about your integrated graphics card, you either have to right click the taskbar, open the task manager and go to performance section where you can select GPU and learn all about your device's integrated graphics card. So its name, well, it's not very precise, but we can see that it's AMD Radeon Graphics. And we can also check the dedicated memory, the shared GPU memory, and the rest of the information about our graphics card. We can also check this information in the device's specifications, which we can find by opening the start menu, going to settings, then scrolling down to system. We don't have to scroll down, but select system, and scrolling down to about in system menu. And here we can check the graphics card with the name and the memory amount. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.